Hello guys, today we're gonna play MM2 and it's kind of made by yeah. So it's MM2 and Trainer 2. I mean, I don't know how to play it, just so yeah. Okay, see. That's the murderer. Oh, right there's glitching. Oh my god. I'm gonna get you guys. I'll get you. Oh, bye. It's so easy. Let's do a trick shot, I guess. Let's do a trick shot. And I already died. Wow, just wow. Okay, wait. Costumes. I'm gonna make Dylan JD. G. Wait, trying. Oh, JD. Are you serious? Dylan. Who is Dylan? I mean, let's do Benovine, I guess. Benovine 8. Benovine. Benovine. Thank you so much. Now let's play it. Sorry if I kill you, Bunny. Sorry. Oh shit. Sorry, Benny. Oh no. Sorry, Benny. Sorry, Benny. Let's go to is there a trading 4v4 or 2v2? Yeah, let's go to 4v4. I haven't played this game for a long time. And I played it on my account.
Bagus. Apa nahirapan ako manood to?
We're literally watching Ganang Beauty.
Subukan natin
Ganang Beauty! Ganang Beauty.
Era dito ka sa wall. Para
Okay.
hindi ka malagay.
Okay.
Dito tayo.
Let's go ikot, guys.
Ah.
Let's go. Am I yellow? Oh wait, am I yellow? Hello. Let's hear this guy. Seriously, what is this guy doing? What is this guy? And I died. I seriously died. Sincerely died. Come on, boy. Oh. Did I die? Oh wait, no. I did not die. Hey, yo. Wow. Gosh. Wow. I hope the way they switched. By the way, I have nails, so how to control. Just kidding, I have not. I have no nails. Just my more normal fingers. So yeah, I can't even speak. Okay. Let's switch. Okay. Go. Okay, I'm in the wall now. I'm in the wall.
Diyan, pag ganun. Yes ka lang, yes. Hindi mo pala. Dito pa ah.
Okay. Dito.
Ano ba ginagawa mo? Tumayo ka.
Doon ikaw sa wall. Oh, okay. Okay.
Oo, ang.
Eh?
Dito ulo mo.
Fuck it. Oh.
Dito. Kay Mickey Mouse. Taas mo sa bilog.
I'm so stupid.
Masa sa bilog. Gasto.
Gusto ko ganito na.
Tumayo ka nga. O, saan ka ba? Dito ka ba sa wall o doon ka? Sa gitna.
Awan, dito ako.
Saan? Oo, ayun ka. Usap ka. Usap ka.
Sir.
Nakinig ka kay mama.
Opo. I get the thing now. I don't want to play anymore, guys. Let's play something else, I guess. After all that suffering.
Kasya ka dyan?
Yeah,
Saan ako?
dito sa gitna po, of course. Ah!
My... Diba
My,
si Ira sa gitna?
my mom just hit me with her pillow. Like seriously, who does that with their daughter? Okay, let's pick else.
Okay na o.
Sorry about my laggy.
Hindi ka ba malaglag dyan?
Ooh, okay. MM2
Subukan natin.
NPC kill 2.1.
Malambot yan eh. Ang Ira, doon ka kasi umarap. Diretso lang.
I don't want
Okay? Mas okay ba yan? Mas gusto mo ba yun?
Yes! Yes, I love it, guys. Sorry, what is this? Oh. Let's try factory. Okay, let's do this.
Ano?
Let's do this, guys.
Parang nalalaglag si Papa. Usog ka dito ba?
Chicken my butt.
Nakulit ni mama yun.
Murderer. Get ready.
Ayun na.
I think
Ay, sorry.
thank you. They don't know how to walk. So yeah. Where are the rest of these people? They can't even jump. Come on, bro.
Sino ba yan?
Best friend niya yan.
Oh, come on.
Iba sila na ni Jory, pero para sa school.
Bye. Sorry about my laggy situation.
Ira.
So yeah pala.
Hindi ko ba nalalaglag yan, Papa?
No. We're perfect.
Hindi pa nga.
Wait, who is it? Dang it. Well, that was cringe. With cringe.
Ay mo.
Finally, now that it can't be gun.
Bakit? Bago pwesto namin? Nahihirapan ako manood eh.
Sino yan?
Si AJ.
Si Kuya AJ.
Mas okay ba to, AJ?
Thank you so much. Wait, let's do a knife throw. And I don't know how to do this.
Ang sakit mo kasi nito oh. Pagpag nakapagilid.
NPC left.
Ay, Ryan na magdada sa sino.
Thank you so much. Oh, there's more. They're in the sewers, I guess. Okay, let's go. Let's go to the sewers right now. The big boy. You're dead in the sewers. What? Why did he dodge that? Finally, there's one more.
Wala na siya ni Pogi. Oh.
Thank you. Oh my gosh.
Ano?
It's 9 minutes and 46 seconds. Hello? Why are you staring at the dead? Let's go. Thank you so much. Let's go back.
Footstep pa lang.
Let's go to Mansion 2. Please, I want to be sheriff. 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 Sheriff again? I mean, I am the killer, guys. Come here, boy. Come here, boy.
Sumayaw din ng
Okay.
ganyan. Pero kasi dahil
I
pangit
don't know
siya,
how to.
ayaw niya. Dahil
What?
nagkataon na
Okay.
masyado nito. Tagal natin sumayaw.
Why I didn't? Why is it have to be? Why does it have to be lucky? Okay, I'm just gonna end this video right over here. So thank you guys for watching this video. Bye.
Higit naman si Pangit.
Bye bye. Sorry if my parents are
Bye-bye.
loud. So yeah, bye.